Hi everyone, it's me again, Clem from clemtravlog, with Hugo, Kevin and Gavin all using GP5000 on their road bikes. I decided to change mine to GP5000 as well. So today I will provide you some basic intro about this product that I recently bought, as well as some feedback. So GP5000, known as one of the best all-rounder tires in the field. One of the most highlighted features is its less rolling resistance by 12%, which means the tire will use less energy to travel to certain distance and making our ride faster, easier, smoother and further distance. GP5000 is a product of Continental, a world-class tire specialist based in Germany. Come with black chili compound. Black chili? No, not this black chili. The black chili mentioned here refers to the black chili compound used by the Continental utilized carbon nanoparticle on both motorcycle and bicycle tire products, offering quick warm-up times, shorter braking distance, excellent grip on wet and dry roads, as well as what I mentioned, less rolling resistance. These are all the key features that this GP5000 has. Besides, one of the key features is the active comfort technology, which helps to absorb vibration to reduce chances of our body soreness impacted by the vibration from the riding on uneven surface. Basically, it means smooth our ride. It also uses laser grid technology. The laser micro profile expand over the tire shoulder and provide outstanding cornering. Apart from this, it also has a 20% boost in puncture protection. Alright, now just let me install into the wheel. Wow, I didn't realize it's actually quite tough to put it in. So when I was wondering why is it so hard to put it on, I checked online and found out GP5000 is actually a very hard tire to be installed. Anyway, I will try my best to keep putting it on. Oh, finally, it's on. Now pump it up. Alright, pump up, put the wheel back on the bike. Done. And now I'm going to test the performance. Started. So this segment, Peloton TT stage 1, is roughly 5.59 kilometers between Forsyth Road in Williams Landing and Fitzgerald Road in Leamington North. Last time, my best record was in May the 8th, 2021. With the fastest of 11 minutes. So I'll try to break the record. See how much this GP5000 can help me. Let's go. Finish the first climb. Still ahead of 3 seconds. Okay, halfway done. Another 2 kilometers and 2.9 kilometers. Still have 2 seconds ahead. 4 seconds ahead. Gonna start climbing. Crossing Lakes Road. So I'm currently traveling around 30-40 kilometers per hour. 1 second ahead. I believe without the headwind, I'll be a lot faster. Let's smash it out. Now I'm traveling 35, 33 kilometers per hour. 8 seconds ahead of myself. My previous record. 9 seconds. 10 seconds. Come on. Another 130 meters. Done. New personal record, 11 minutes and 31 seconds. After a fast pedal on this segment, I achieved a new personal record of 11 minutes and 31 seconds by using this lower rolling resistant tire, Continental GP5000, to beat my previous record of 11 minutes and 46 seconds. Although at my previous record, I was using Continental Gather Skin, a higher rolling resistant tire compared to this GP5000. Besides, I was also riding with my 8-speed Polygon Stratos S2 and heavier bike than my current carbon frame 11-speed BMC SLR Teammachine 7. But on this ride, the headwind was very strong, with the wind speed of around 25.8 kilometers per hour. So in my opinion, this GP5000 did help me to ride faster even under a strong headwind weather. I believe if without the strong headwind, I could have even getting better finishing time. Moreover, during this sprint, I felt the grip was really good and the vibration was a lot lesser transferring to my hands. And for the puncture resistance, I didn't do any testing, so I was unable to give you the conclusion on this. But I did ride on fine gravel tracks for few times and nothing happened. So I thought this was a good option for a road bike, especially for those wanted to ride faster and further distance. Anyway, in terms of the cons, the biggest con is the hardness to fit in. It took me a bit longer time to get them fit in into my wheel. Imagine when you puncture a tube during a ride and you require to change the tube. How annoying is it to spend more time and effort on getting the tire out and fit it in again? Also, another disadvantage was the price. Oh, actually, I don't think I mentioned about the price yet. Let me tell you. So in Australian market, it is currently selling around $85 per tire, which means if you want to get front tire and back tire, you need to spend around $170. For me, yes, it was a bit pricey. Even a lot of reviewers online did mention the same thing. But in my view, to have GP5000 which has such a reliable performance, $85 per tire, and I'm traveling so much with my bike, it's worth it. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope I am able to help you to decide is this tire suitable for you. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please kindly click the like and subscribe my channel. I will see you on my next adventure. Goodbye.